Hello my fly babies, it's me, your FlyLady Kat. Today is Monday and we have a 3-layer cake. The first layer of our cake is our 5 routines. Can you name them in your head? Stop the video and see if you can. If you can't, here we go. The first routine is a 2-parter. The first part is your morning routine. The second part is your children's morning routine in that order. The second of the day only applies to those of you who are staying home. If you're a payroll fly baby, whether you work payroll in the house or out of the house, you're probably not going to do 2 and 3 until you come home in the afternoon. And for those of you staying home, you're going to go ahead and put a load of laundry in. When you do that, that's a matter of moments, honestly, to get it going. Then you're going to go through an inch of paper. It doesn't seem like much when you're actually really doing what I say to do with that paper, but it will add up. In a month, you'll go through 2 feet of paper. Think about that over the months, how you'll get rid of the paper in your home by going through an inch a day and actually doing the handle portion of it, which isn't very much because most of that is trash. But the handling portion will happen on Wednesdays when you do when you do planning and desk day. Okay, the fourth, everybody's going to do after dinner. That's the after dinner routine. And the 5th routine is your before bed routine. Again, a 2-parter. This time, part A is the kids, part B is you. Don't forget to check your planner in the morning and before bed routines. Don't forget, always remember to do 3 clutter checks a day in your home if you have been recently decluttering. 3 clutter checks a day. If you've been decluttered for a while and you're not finding anything in those decluttering checks, then go down to 2 a day, or maybe 1 a day, or 1 every other day. But while you have a clutter problem, it's like staying on top of an infection. We got to get it gone. So we're going to apply the medication of clutter check 3 times a day. I hope that makes sense. Okay, the second layer of our cake is our zone, and we are in zone 5, the living room. So either declutter for 15 minutes and complete the process by putting away, throwing away, and giving away the things that you decluttered. Or if you don't have clutter, then you're going to pick for this week 4 things to do in the living room or the living room, dining room if you have a combination. 4 things to do. And you're going to do 1 a day. Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Tuesday being your free day, or apply it as you need to, okay? 4 things, 10 minutes or less, you can do it. All right, the 3rd layer is the basic weekly plan. Today is our weekly home blessing hour or less, 6 steps: strip the bed, vacuum the floors, mop the floors in the bathrooms, throw away the garbage, wipe the spots off the glass, and dust. 10 minutes each or less. You can do it. You'll be so happy you did. All right, now I want to take a moment to thank Roxy for her letter. Thank you, Roxy. And to thank Sherry for her letter. Thank you, Sherry. You know, I thought that you guys forgot about me, and I didn't get anything for such a long time. And I'm getting ready to renew my post office box, and that's an expense for me. So maybe I shouldn't keep it, but I'm going to keep it 1 more 6-month period and see if it's something I need to do. I do love to get these notes, and I will be sending you some kind of a response in writing. If you asked for something in particular, some guidance, you'll be getting it, or just a little thank you for sending me your card or gift or whatever it is. So thank you again so much. Have a fantastic day. Always remember that you are beautiful.